you have created a contract. After creating the contract, we want to go to the next step in the process. We are going to go to customer info again. And because you created a contract, now you are able to create the job. If you create the job before creating the contract, it's not going to move the right part. So make sure that you first create the contract and then create the job. Everything that you created in the contract is right here. All the 4 work areas are here, right? We are going to import this information, import now. And now we are on the main page of the job that is officially ready to start tracking all the good information. Make sure that it is active. There are some exceptions for this. I will explain those later, but make sure that it's always active. Under assignments, you want to assign one person under active user that will be the account or project manager. So it can be chat or field. You only will see here active users, meaning people that is subscribed to LMN. So you do that and then save. After that, you are gonna go to job groups and you are gonna add the job group that this job belongs to. 99% of the times are gonna be under install. Chat will let you know if it's any of these other 2, but like I said, install, it's our main group. Just save that option and then we are gonna go to timesheet tracking. Click under punching task. You're gonna see the 4 work areas that were created in the contract, and what you're gonna do is add 2 more areas. This addition happens in every job just because we need to allocate time to drive time, and you're gonna select under these 5 options the one that suits better the project that we are exporting. So in this case, to me, it's the acrylic latex court because all my proposal is mainly that. We are not going to touch anything else for now. And we're going to hit save. Now we're going to create a second work area, which is job. We are going to do this again. I'm going to select this, but if the bulk of the project is synthetic turf, you're going to select synthetic turf. And this is because we need to allocate time when the guys are preparing before leaving and when they arrive to the job after a job, how much time they spend at the job. Now we are gonna move to invoicing and we are gonna select always invoice schedule. Once we are there, we're gonna see again every work area with the entire and correct price of each work area. We are gonna generate the invoice. Yes, I am sure. And then you are going to see the LMN interface for invoicing. Now, see, sometimes LMN doesn't depict the correct date, so you are just gonna do it and just type the date and it will automatically change it and automatically will enter on also the due date like 5 days after. The invoice number is created also automatically and most of the times this number will work, unless Teresa tells you that it's something wrong with the number that is being used already on QuickBooks and you just have to come back and change the number, but that doesn't happen very often. Now, again, your 4 work areas, the complete price per work areas, the client saw it in the proposal, and cost code. Cost code is very important. If any of these work areas doesn't have a cost code, this is your chance to assign it. Make sure that is the correct one. If there is any empty space under cost code, the proposal, the contract is not going to export. So just make sure that the cost code is filled out. Now we're gonna do is click set to review. Make sure that all your elements are correct. Then set to approve. You think everything is good, so you set it to approve. And the last step you're gonna do so Teresa can see it to export is export to QuickBooks. And that's all you have to do. After this interface is created, it's always gonna show QA, which means this is gonna appear on a list that Teresa will see that it's ready to move to QuickBooks. And then hit save. That's it.